Guys, I'm Sultan Mahmood. I'm going to show you how to epoxy over tile floor. Firstly, we do grinding to remove glaze and waxes. Then we put the primer and several coat.
CityMark Flooring Solution is a Bangladesh-based industrial, commercial, residential flooring and construction chemicals application company. We're dealing with all kinds of construction chemicals such as waterproofing, floor hardener, epoxy floor coating, all types of industrial flooring system like self-leveling epoxy flooring, polyurethane flooring systems, PU coating, epoxy, PU paint etc. We have built a reputation by working with quality product, economical solution plus efficiency service since day one the company has built. Our continuous research and a passion to do something exceptional from the rest have enabled us to achieve a reputable position in the related field and a cutting edge from our competitors. With our vast knowledge we have become the leading companies of resin flooring and construction chemicals and are handling most of the prestigious projects in Bangladesh. We've rightly